Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Translate to Transform. Today I'm here to speak on the topic, where are all the smiles in the world gone? Firstly, I would like to tell you a joke. Listen carefully. Teacher asked the student, why do doctors wear a mask during operation? The student replied, because if during the operation the patient dies, no one would find out who the doctor was. I'm glad I could make you smile. Do you know which is the longest word in English? Yes, it's miles. Do you know why? Because there is a mile between the starting S and the ending S. Amazing, right? Nowadays we feel that smiles are not seen easily and we need to discover them. But I would rather use the word uncover. Because smiles are there everywhere. Even now, right here, they are not gone anywhere. They are just hiding behind the mask of sorrow. Smiling is contagious, and so we start smiling when we see someone smile. Even in this digital world, smile is the most exchanged emoticon. I would classify smiles as organic smile and artificial smile. Saying cheese to the camera, smiling at the people you don't like, giving a sarcastic smile are all the examples of artificial smile. Artificial smile is very shallow. It is just teeth deep. Artificial smile normally originates from the outside and it never really penetrates you. Natural smile, however, originates from deep within you. It's similar to the process in which a bud blossoms into a flower. It is not just a facial expression. It is the manifestation of love, happiness, joy, gratitude, and all the emotions alike. It's an indication of happiness within. It's the evidence of peace within. Smile is a universal thing. And it's not limited to human beings or living things only. Look at the nature around you. Walk with me and I'll take you there. I know where the smiles are hiding. Give a starving child something to eat and you will see $1,000,000 smile in his eyes. Help a disabled person achieve his goals and see the feeling of gratitude blossoming on his face. Ask your mother to rest for a day and take care of all her daily chores. You will see that she is smiling in tears. Obey your fathers, do things as per his orders, and you will see that he is on cloud 9. Make sure you give medicines in timely manner to your grandma. Press her aching feet and see the smile in the pat that she gives you on your back. Go for a morning walk with your grandpa. Buy him his favorite newspaper to read in the morning and see a smile in his calm and relaxed gesture. Friends, the sun showers the earth with its warm rays of smile, and the earth responds by smiling back with the blooming flowers on her lap. The moon lovingly sends pearly white smileys using the rays of nectar to the earth, and the earth showers her joy by laughing out loudly with the oceans of waves. The stars keep sending twinkling and mischievous smiles to the earth, and the earth resonates in splashes, gushes, and trickles of the river, culminating into a bubbling musical symphony of waterfalls. Listen to the chirping of the birds. That is their smile and their way of expressing the joy of life. The rain falls in love with the earth, and the peacock puts up a dazzling dance in unison with it. Water a plant, and it will smile back to you in the form of fragrant flowers and fruits later. Smile at her cat by patting her and she responds back with purrs of smile. However, friends, smile is not the monopoly of living things only. Even non-living things smile. See for yourself. Clean a dirty ceiling fan and the sparkling fan starts smiling back at you in gratitude. If you want to see your car smiling, then just give it a car wash. Don't you think your pencil is smiling when you just sharpen it? So finally and interestingly, we have found ourselves in the ocean of smiles. Each and every object uncovers a specific form of smile. Give something to someone that he needs very badly without expecting anything in return to uncover a smile. Uncovering smile is like earning a gold star in a game. I enjoyed the game. Wasn't that fun? Okay, so to conclude, I would like to recite a poem on smiles. Smile for the sake of a smile. Smile for the sake of happiness. Smile for the sake of life. Smile so that the world can be a peaceful dove. Thank you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. If you have any suggestions related to this video, then please don't forget to mention it in the comment box below. Also, if you think that I should make the essay on any other topic, you can just mention it in the comment box below. Thank you.